Everyone, welcome back. So today we are going to discuss about how to set up custom email signature right inside HubSpot. Just like any other CRM, HubSpot has the feature to send one-to-one emails directly inside HubSpot. So when you send one-to-one emails, you will want your signature to be there on your emails. So we'll discuss about how to set it up inside HubSpot. So I'm on my HubSpot screen. Once you are in HubSpot, you can click right side on your profile and just go to the profile and preferences. Once you go here, there is a second tab called email. Click on the email. You will see what are your inboxes that are connected to your HubSpot account, and just below that you will see manage email signatures. You can click on manage email signatures and you will see if you have already set up any signature. In my case, I have already set up one with some HTML code. This is HTML signature. You will have two options, two variations of signature that you can set up. One is simple text, where you can just type any text whatever you want in your signature, and second is HTML, which is HTML code with some CSS in it, and you can see the preview of the signature here. So this is my HTML code and this is the preview of the signature. So that's how you set up HTML signature. If you want simple text, you can click on add new signature and just give the name of the signature. In my case, I'm just keeping the text, and you can give the text what you want to be there in the signature. And you will have basic options of formatting like bold, italic. You can make it italic. So you can do the basic formatting from here and save it. So now we have two signatures, one is HTML and one is test signature. So let me just show you how it shows on the contact record when you send the email. So let me open my contact record. This is my contact record. You will see one email button here, create an email. Just click on that. And one note on this, if you have not connected your inbox, you cannot send emails from HubSpot. So to send one-to-one emails from HubSpot, you will need to connect your inbox account as well. So this is my default signature which is showing here. This is HTML signature, and if you want to change this signature, you can click on edit button here, select test signature, use this signature, and that signature will be used here. You can type a subject line here and just put the text here whatever you want to send and hit on send. So this email will go out with the signature. I hope this was helpful, and just let me know if you have any questions. And like I said, super simple but really useful to have the setup properly. If you have enjoyed this HubSpot hacks tips, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss the next one. And if there is something specific you would like me to cover in a future video, drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.